Well, good morning from the ridge.
Good morning.
Well, honestly, I have no idea whether or not if it's still morning.
It's good when you get to do that.
Before we can get back on the kitchen build, we need more lumber.
Yeah, mainly 2x4s.
So we're hoping, we got our fingers crossed, that we're gonna mill today. How'd you get so dirty?
I touched stuff and came outside. It
Yeah.
automatically gets dirt.
All right, let's go. Come on. Welcome back, guys. We went ahead and turned the cameras off because you've seen it once, you've seen it a gazillion times, and we just kept on milling. And boy, we got lucky with that last log.
Yeah, that very last log, we actually got 10
2x4s.
2x4s, which was shocking. Like it was almost felt sacrilege to cut that one up. It was a pretty beautiful log.
But we've got 2x4s now, so we can go on to the next part of the project. But right now we are sticky, gross, sawdusty, and it's shower time.
Yep.
So we'll pick this back up in the morning. Good morning from the ridge.
Good morning.
We are back at it this morning. Short intro because you saw us milling in the last clip, but we are hoping to get the metal on the roof.
Yeah. Had to do a little planning and figuring this morning, just so that it makes our life easier as we go along, because we've got the purlin strips. You'll see it, right? But first things first, fascia board.
Yeah, absolutely.
So let's get that measured, cut, and well, we have to go get our
boom
hydraulic lift.
Yeah. Now, disclaimer, folks. don't do it the way we're doing it, right? Make sure you have proper safety equipment. Make sure you're protecting yourselves. This is just the way we choose to utilize our farm equipment. Stay tuned.
Somebody's got bug spray everywhere.
Because bugs love me.
189. Easy peasy.
What you got there, baby?
Cooler downer 1000.
Yeah, definitely needed a fan. We decided if we're gonna be out here working, we needed to stay cool. So we went to Harbor Freight and got the Harbor Freight special for a fan. I'm gonna love it. Is it deep enough, baby?
Not really. No. All we have are 1 inchers. We need like 1.5 inches, 1 3/4.
Silicone it is.
Because all these holes. So yeah, we're gonna just have to go in the flats and then come back with silicone and every one of the holes. Fun. Because it really won't matter. I mean, part of me says still put the purlins under the holes, but then that's just gonna rot the purlin out if it leaks.
Right.
So
I say we just do our 24 on center.
of course,
And
there's always the option. We do have that bucket. Remember we bought that bucket of roof sealer for Jenna's trailer up north? If it's still good.
I don't know.
I mean, it's supposed to be held up to the elements, right? So why
Supposed
wouldn't
to
it
be.
still be good? We put it on a powerful drill and mix it up, and we just coat the whole dumb thing.
Might work. We got it. Might as well use it.
Well, right. That's what I was thinking.
for a beer. Come on.
Stay out of your way.
Yeah, clearly do not stand under. This is easier from the roof. Ooh! This one's wobbly jobbly.
Yeah, imagine me down there on the ladder that one time.
I wonder how we got such a wide.
I told you they look white. It's fine though, I don't mind. It's fine. Ain't no one gonna know. Well, they'll know, but that's it. Let me get up on the ladder and send her that. Unless you wanted to measure your 9.
I'm gonna measure and just pull it down. Sometimes that's a big deal.
I know. And you're running out of space.
$69 and an 8 plus 9.
Good job, baby.
Oh.
Sit down and hydrate. So we have shade. The roof panels for the bar porch is done. Well, pretty much done. I mean, Jason still has to go back and screw in all of the extra screws. And we were really hoping that we could get both sides done for this video, but it's just not gonna happen with us having to mill and stuff, and there's only like, what, 3 days between videos? So that's where we're at. But I am so excited, guys. It is turning out amazing. And most importantly, here in North Central Arkansas, it gives us shade from the heat of the day. And it's just gonna increase as soon as we get this covered too. So stay tuned, stay with us. We appreciate y'all being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, you know, all that blah, blah, blah. And we will catch you on the next one. Peace out from the ridge.